Hello guys. The work I've been doing with my TikTok lives, YouTube lives, Twitch lives about helping people to break into cybersecurity, I think it just shows how bootcamps, cybersecurity degrees, and certification programs do not prepare people to enter cybersecurity. And I think there is a big disconnect in people understanding what it takes to land your first ever cybersecurity job. And my goal is to change that. So today that changes. I've created a school community where I'm gonna share advice, share support, share certificates, guidance, how to build home labs, how to advance your career in cybersecurity, how to land your first ever cybersecurity role. So my goal is with the community for a nominal fee to make sure it's worth my time to help people unblock the advice, the help that you need in order to land the cybersecurity job. I think, as I mentioned, I think, boot camps promise you the world. People think that you still need a cybersecurity degree in order to land that elusive first ever cybersecurity role. So I wanted to create a community where I can help people, provide my advice and expertise. I've been in cybersecurity for over 10 years. I'm currently a CISO and cybersecurity leader and a board advisor to a number of organizations. So I think I have enough expertise and knowledge to help and guide people on their journey to cybersecurity. So the goal of the community will be share expertise, roast CVs, provide guidance, advice, share my videos about how to build home labs, how to use techniques to remove the competition in your cybersecurity job search and help people to land that role. As I said, I think people have been sold a lie, and journey into cybersecurity is becoming harder day by day. So there is no easy way in. You need to learn the basics, the fundamentals. You need to understand and build skills, and you need to think proactively how to use different techniques and tactics to land a cybersecurity job, how to remove the competition. So hopefully, guys, you'll find the community helpful. I'll add a link into the community in the video description, as well as you can find it in my channel links. But, hopefully this is a beginning and journey of something special that we're going to help people build everlasting cybersecurity careers. And as I always do this, I always say to people, my only goal is that once you become successful, you help those who are coming behind you. So let's build a great community. Let's help a lot of people land their first cybersecurity job, and let's work together to advance the industry and remove the burden and the lies that have been sold by various other companies. So guys, sign up to community, join my live streams where you'll find the links in the community when the live streams are happening, and hopefully we're gonna build something amazing, and as a byproduct of that, you're hopefully gonna land yourself a cybersecurity job. So I'll see you there, guys. Have a brilliant day and join the community, and I'll chat with you there.